estaciones, esa alarma está penado por ley.
The 3D printer is gone. Finally. No more. Look, empty space. It's gone. You have to fill it with stuff now. By stuff, I just mean my other equipment that I wanted to put on there. Namely that. So. Alright. So that's done. Now I got other stuff to do. So I'm going to go do that stuff. So, yeah. That was fun. That guy was a very nice and friendly guy. He seemed super duper cool. Freaking awesome guy. I was really happy I sold it to him, and I know it's going to a good place and a good home, and he's gonna love it, use it, and make the best of it. Hells to the yeah. Double fucking fisted pumping thumbs up on that one, baby. Alright. You can tell I'm in a good mood, huh? Can you? I don't know. Who knows anymore. So, a few things I did over the weekend, or today anyway. I watered these guys and I put them out there. I did that yesterday. See, this guy's on the verge of dying. Hopefully I'm saving him. The other guy too. They're both on the verge of death, but hopefully they'll be okay. I got all kinds of things I want to do. I want to move this table around. I want to rearrange the whole room, get a little feng shui going. You know, fix around my office, get more organized so I can do more work and do more things. I also got to do some laundry and try to kill this fly. I don't know if you can see the fly. There's a fly there somewhere. Freaking bastard. Anyway, so I'm gonna kill the fly, rearrange the room, get the feng shui going, and get some dinner. Oh, and edit the vlog, and go to sleep, and knock some things off that list, and stop wasting time, stop procrastinating, and get to it right now. By the way, if you notice something under my nose at any point during this whole video, it's not a booger, it's a pimple. Sucks. Anyway. By the way, it came out yesterday, right before a big date. No, it didn't go well. Alright, I think the fly is gone. I was just outside. I opened up the little screen, and I think he made his way out there. So I closed back the screen. We're good to go. Alright. So fly situation taken care of. Motherfucker. Alright, so I'm done. After many interruptions, I finally finished. So, anywho, without further ado, that right there is just going to be left as a little, that's going to be my airplane hangar, I guess, you know, where I'm going to put the drone and charge it up and just keep, you know, the whole situation situated there. Alright, so that's that. And then over here, I put away everything. So, all my tools, all my what I got. Okay, so what I have there is all my tools, all my camera equipment, all my electrical equipment, all my miscellaneous wires and gadgets and all kinds of stuff. Just organized and, you know, neatly fashioned, you know, according to Jose standards, you know. So that's that. And then that's it. The rest is nice and clear and clean and ready for work and all kinds of good stuff. So, all right, that's it. So it's already getting pretty late. It's already past 9. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I have a million things that I still have to do tonight, and then tomorrow we're going to pick it up from there, and we're gonna have a blast, and we'll see what we do tomorrow. So anyway, end vlog here.